My class has an incredibly diverse group of people.
My class is made up of people from many different countries.
We have a diverse group. We have local students as well.
My classmates are amazing.
So we have a lovely batch of 19. We have people from 10 different nations. We have people from Nepal, Russia, Ukraine, Sri Lanka, India, Nigeria.
I think we said there was over 100 different languages that people spoke in our class.
I'm the only Canadian-born person in my class.
It's been a really good experience talking to people, learning about their cultures, where they're from, learning the differences in our way of life.
We tend to build the beginning, we tend to talk about things, how you do things differently, what is it, so how it's a culture, it's there. Now we kind of all blend together and we kind of have an understanding now each other. Different people have different personalities, so we are kind of gone past that stage now. We understand, have a good understanding.
We have local students as well. We learn from them. We teach them something. So it's a good mix of everything.
I like it because I'm learning a lot of different cultures that I didn't know much about, or I had preconceived notions of certain cultures, and they were wrong.
From day one, I decided, even though there's 2 fellow Ecuadorians in my class, that I would try to get immersed in knowing other cultures. Getting to know these people from all of these countries contributes to my growth in knowledge.
So you get to taste different types of food. You taste something which you have never even heard of. And then you get that feeling of love and affection when your classmates bring something for you. And then in a way you are learning trying to learn their languages, their cultures, their values, their beliefs. So it's fun.
And also to realize that you can make friendships. It doesn't matter where people are from. We're all just people that wants to have friends.
But in your class, you get to meet so many different people. You learn firsthand the culture, so it's been a pretty amazing experience.